What is a mature minor? That's the question I want to answer in this video. Specifically in the province of Ontario, anybody 17 and under is considered to be a minor. They can't vote, and there are other age-related restrictions that we have embedded into our laws. And for the most part, that is considered acceptable. There are reasons relating to safety and other accepted reasons why we just limit things based on age, and generally it's not considered discriminatory and it's part of the world. So these minors who have limited rights become a really interesting group in the context of making their own healthcare decisions, because in Ontario, as I've talked about in other videos, there is technically no minimum age at which a person is allowed or not allowed to make their own medical decisions. There's no age. It all comes down to this test for capacity. And it's not a test that's administered, it's a test that is a legal test based on a person's ability to understand the information relevant to making the decision in question and their ability to appreciate the reasonably foreseeable consequences of a decision or lack of a decision. Yes, that sounded very legal. That was the legal test from the Healthcare Consent Act. But basically, do they get it? Do they understand the info? Can they apply it to themselves? Do they have insight? That's the idea behind capacity. And there are minors who will be capable of all decisions or some decisions, because this idea of capacity is decision specific. So when somebody is 17 years of age or younger and they are found capable of making a decision about their own treatment, and it could be something more minor or something more major, whatever the case may be, if they are found capable, they are considered a mature minor. So that's a phrase that's not actually in the Healthcare Consent Act, but it has been used in case law, so decisions by judges when there are lawsuits about healthcare and consent. So a mature minor is simply somebody in Ontario who is 17 years of age or younger who has been found capable of making one or more of their own medical decisions. And of course, there can be mature minors in other jurisdictions, and then in those cases, the age might vary based on the age of majority and if there's other law in place. But the concept more or less would be quite similar if you're watching this from another province. So that's it for this video. I hope you learned something new, and I will see you in the next one.